My name is Tori from Keystone Industries, and today I'm here to talk about the reliable chairside soft reline DentuSil. Surveys have shown that regardless of the procedure, a single hour of chair time could be equivalent to over $500. This means that if your practice is seeing just 10 reline patients every 3 to 4 months to soft reline their dentures, it could be costing you up to $10,000 when taking into account salaries, disposables, and so on. It's time to ask yourself, is your office implementing the most economical approach to relines? DentuSil is a chairside soft relining material which combines the ease of cartridge dispensing and the flexibility and resilience of silicone soft relining material to provide denture patients with a comfortable, reliable reline in just one office visit. DentuSil lasts up to a year in the mouth. This means you can see your reline patients one time a year instead of the conventional 2 to 3, saving money for your practice. DentuSil's silicone base absorbs less water, making the reline more resistant to stains and odors. Its translucent pink color provides a natural and healthy appearance. Adhesive is specifically formulated to hold the material in place, providing a secure reline in just minutes. If you're interested in trying DentuSil or would like more information, please contact a Keystone rep or visit KeystoneIndustries.com. Thanks for watching on this great day to be in the know.